Hey, Dr. Jetter and the rest of the class. This is Adam Gilpin here. I just got done watching the Chicago Fire Department backdraft video, so this is my response to the Week 2 discussion board. Reading it, looking at the structure, it looks like a two and a half story residential building. It says older frame building, so these legacy buildings, they definitely hold in the heat and everything better. It's hard, like a lot of the more modern things end up ventilating themselves half the time because they burn through the roof or through something, break a window. But with these legacy buildings, they tend to hold in that heat a little better, which helps lead to these backdraft conditions. So once the crew arrives, you see some of the lighter smoke, and as they start to ventilate, you can definitely tell that it's getting more turbulent. You see darker smoke, and you can see the structure drawing in some of the oxygen from the outside, and that's why the structure backdrafted. It was a ventilation limited fire, and they didn't coordinate their ventilation efforts with the advancing hose line in the bottom floor, so they didn't control the flow path either. I thought it was strange that they were just busting windows instead of controlling it and trying to control the fire that way with the flow path. Inside the structure, there's obviously superheated gases, and they were off-gassing on everything. Like all of the items inside the house, all the furnishings, everything was off-gassing, which was leading that buildup of the superheated gases inside the structure. What about the gases building up inside? Yeah, the gases are just getting hotter and hotter, and once the crew came in, they ventilated. They gave that rush of oxygen that the fire needed to explode, which is what that backdraft ended up being.